Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got home from work and I took a shower and washed my hair, and now I am getting ready to clean and declutter my room because it has been a mess for a couple of weeks, and I've been like watching those like clean with me videos, and I like procrastinate so much on cleaning my room, and I sit there and literally watch those videos. And so I'm like, I really need to clean my room because if I keep watching these videos, my room is never gonna get clean. So I want to make a video myself. I have a new room because I moved, so it doesn't look like the room that you guys have previously seen. Let me show you guys what I am working with right now. Don't judge me though, because we all have, you know, messy rooms now and then or every day. Okay, so this is what we're working with right here. My closet is pretty clean, but the room, you see I got like mannequin head, I got my bed, no sheets on it, no nothing. My vanity is all like super decluttered, and my TV unit, super messy, decluttered, and then of course we got clothes and clothes for days. Gotta work, gotta vacuum. So hopefully I can get all of this done tonight because I have been definitely not feeling very clean, but once I clean up everything, I'm gonna feel relaxed. I'm gonna blow dry and flat iron my hair, and I'm gonna feel like I had a productive night. So hopefully I can get this all done. Okay, so I like to start off with my bed. I just feel like when I make up the bed first, it kind of brings cleaning the room together and it doesn't look as messy, and it feels like I made a lot of progress even though it's just one part of the room. I'm super out of breath because, I don't know, I was trying to get those pillows on the pillowcase, took some breath out of me, but I'm going to zoom in so we can do the nightstand and the coffee table, which I don't think you guys can see because I'm standing in front of it. Okay, so right here we got my nightstand, which I'm going to do something with Janet over here. She is my mannequin for my wigs. She is my everyday client that lets me practice on her. Okay, so let's see. We got my phone, which could stay right there. Let's see, the remote. I like to have the remote in the drawer there. This is a used tampon. That's how dirty this is. Oh, we're gonna need a trash bag. Oh, I have a trash can. Yeah, we could use all that. We could use that. Okay. So then let's see. Then we got, this is good. Stand there. Let's move that. I'm gonna wipe this down. My San Francisco State University graduation photo. Go Gators! Yeah. Okay. Then put this right here. To put my facial stuff. All goes in there. Let's see. Oops. Change these quarters here. More trash. Okay. Then let's see. All my hair stuff that I try to do my baby hairs with. I just started using the Murray's Edge Wax. Super surprised I've been sleeping on it. I seen another YouTuber using it, saying it was the best, so I started using it, and I'm never going back. I like to keep some of my hair stuff in here for in the morning. It's just quick to get, even though most of my hair stuff goes in a different drawer, but my everyday hair stuff is in here in the closet. These towels need to go to the laundry, which you'd be surprised, guys, but this is actually the clean basket of clean clothes. I'm gonna put the dirty towels right there. Let's see, it's coming along already. Throw this water on the floor for now. Let's see. The brush can go here. Hair stuff. And candles. Sometimes I like to have fake candles lit. Oh, in this I just started. Oh, shit! Gosh, look at me trying to be extra and shake it, and it spills out everywhere. Gee, that's annoying. From the Dollar Tree, and it smells really good, so hopefully it cleanses the room. Trash, I'll throw it away for now. Okay, so that's looking better. Got the nightstand area and the bed looking much, much better. Okay, so I am done with my bed, my nightstand, my coffee table. Now I gotta work on my closet, which is pretty much already clean, but I do have some clothes that are clean in this basket right here and on the floor that need to somehow fit in this closet here. And I've been doing some shopping, so I gotta get rid of stuff and put in new stuff, but I'm not gonna get rid of anything today because I am tired already. But yeah, I bought some new hangers. I bought these hangers for really cheap, like $2 from Target. I bought them in white, blue, and gray, just to go with the teal theme that I'm going with my room, because teal is my favorite decorative color for the living room and the bedroom and pretty much everything, and pink is my favorite color to wear. Okay, so we got the closet looking better. No more clothes all over the floor. The floor is looking nice. Now we just need to work on this over here. The TV unit is a mess, and so is my vanities over here. So I got some new brushes and stuff. My Wawa trash. I love Welch's. Let me know if you guys love Welch fruit snacks. They're my favorite. But anywho, this is gonna be hopefully only a few minutes, but I got two vanities because I thought I loved this one, and then I saw this one and I got this one, and I put them together to kind of make a whole wall, kind of just like a beauty wall for my makeup. I know I need to move this picture over. It's not centered at all with the vanity, but I'm going to work on that later. we got this part of the vanity all cleaned up and done. These are my MAC lipsticks, a mirror. I got some new makeup brushes from Crown Brushes, and then I also have some Morphe brushes from the Jaclyn Hill collection, and I got these cute jars from Walmart, and then I even got seashells from Walmart as well. There are these right here. They're called Decorative Accents, and this one is blue and teal and clear sea glass. And then I also got this one right here, and this one they're called Glass Gems to put in a base. So I thought that was really cute, and I feel like it makes the vanity come together a lot better. Let me know what you guys think. I really like it, and of course we got to do something with this over here, but mainly this vanity is for makeup, and then this vanity over here is to kind of work on my hair and my wigs and do better with that. I organize my drawers. At least I'm trying to organize my drawers with clear containers, whatever you call them. Trying to put like eyeshadow and blush palettes, and I really don't have a way to organize anything. I kind of just stuff things where they fit. So for example, like my tampons, I don't really have anywhere to put tampons, but they fit in here, so therefore they're gonna go in here. This is one of my new mics. I've actually had it for about a year. I'm just gonna put it in here just because. Let's see, these accents can go in here, and let me see, this is all my hair stuff, like hair products that I have not, oh, my camera battery's about to die. Ooh, and this is heavy. I need to like organize this bag. I don't use much of the products. I might just put it under the vanity. Okay, you guys, it's pretty much all clean. We got the nightstand, the table, the closet, the bed, the vanities. We also got the nightstand. Don't mind my ring light right there. TV, soundbar, everything's clean. I have to put that picture up, but for the most part, everything is clean. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna do like a 360, starting from right here. I love it. We're happy everything's clean right now. Woohoo! Everything's clean. I'm super happy. Hasn't looked this good and super duper long. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm gonna take some photos now. Okay, but thank you guys for enjoying my video and watching me clean my room, and I hope all you guys clean up your room and that this inspired you guys to stay clean. Woohoo!